Jag har tänkt visa er hur mina dagar har sett ut denna vecka. Wake up in the morning and feeling kind of sick. Vad ska jag göra idag? Tänk. Jag vet. Sitta och slappa i soffan och titta på TV. Det är livet. Nej, nu ska jag hitta på något annat att göra. Jag sätter mig vid Facebook. Det kan jag göra. Facebook. Oh yeah. Vad kan de hitta på? Nu ska vi se. Ashpata. Så roligt är det du. Ashpata. Ja. Yay! Let's play Super Mario! I'm the best. Best. Jag är bäst. Pengar. Woohoo! I get there. I'm best. Wow. Yeah. And there I died.
roll by, girls be looking like Debbie Fly. I pimp to the beat, walking down the street and my new the freak, yeah. This is how I roll, animal print pants out control. It's Red Food with the big ass fro, and like Bruce Lee, I got the clout, yeah. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out when I walk in the spot. This is what I see. Everybody stops and is staring at me. I got passion in my pants and I ain't afraid to show it. Show it, show it, show it. I'm sexy and I know it.